said that empty vessels make the most sound, whatever that means. But it sounds really similar to an experience I've had recently with the class Exodus: challenge, success, and happiness. This class is an empty vessel because the students in there absolutely hate it and they make a lot of noise about hating this class. Now, there are 3 reasons why Exodus is an empty vessel class. 1, happiness and success as a subject topic. 2, discussion in small groups. And 3, the teachers and administrators who came up with it aren't willing to admit they screwed up. Alright? So first, for my first point, happiness and success, what kind of subject matter is that? I mean, seriously, it's so obtuse and unable to be grasped by the 100 and so students in that class. It's a psychology subject, all right? And they make all kinds of stuff. We have a day dedicated to music and art and talking about who knows what. Second, discussion in small groups. There are over 100 students in that class. You're put into small groups of 5 and 6. But you can't even do a whole lot with that when you're in the middle of the class and you're supposed to use your microphones to talk to the entire class, which people don't do, and they can't really use them, especially when they go in and out with being able to talk in the microphones. And third, teachers and administrators are unwilling to admit that they screwed up. In the vlog yesterday, the provost said that you can say all of the complaints about this class can be said about almost anything, any other class they offer. They're just not willing to say that they screwed up in trying to fix ideas class. So, Exodus, Challenge and Happiness, is an empty vessel. Thank you very much.